Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we will be having a razor sharp view at the Indian government's decision to ban 59 Chinese apps. Let's begin. So friends, as you know, the Indian government banned 59 Chinese apps on June 29th. This was a digital strike first of its kind. Before that, after the Galwan Valley clash, there were nationwide calls for boycott of Chinese products. Indians were participating in street rallies, burning Chinese goods, proclaiming that China is an enemy state, and a lot of things happened. This materialized on June 17 when Indian Traders Association called for a nationwide boycott of 450 Chinese products. Following public sentiment, the Indian government was quick to effectively execute an order to ban 59 Chinese apps from the App Store. What are the global implications of this decision? First of all, let's check how the Chinese responded. Chinese spokesperson Zhao Lijian complained that China is extremely concerned about this decision and India needs to think twice about the effect of this decision on its investor relations. Look who is crying. For the Chinese, it's a matter of concern. Is it so big? Let's see the background. Friends, India is the biggest domestic market and one of the fastest emerging market for the Chinese tech industry. What are the studies? Let's have a look. The Chinese companies were enjoying a multi-billion-dollar profit in the Indian consumer market. No company other than Google and Facebook were able to beat the Chinese apps in the Indian consumer market few years back. According to App Annie, a mobile data usage analytics company, Indians spent an average of, look closely at the figures, 5.5 billion hours on TikTok in the last year, which is 2019. Comparatively, Indians spent 25.5 billion hours on Facebook in last year. TikTok's parent company ByteDance reported that it earned $17 billion revenue last year, and out of that $3 billion was profit. It also said that $6 billion were contributed by the Indian consumer market. So friends, we can imagine how much the owner of TikTok earns from India. What are the global implications? Indian government decision is being analyzed by all the countries. Indian government banned those Chinese apps on the grounds of privacy concerns. So now every country is looking at those apps from a privacy perspective, whether they are infringing users' privacy. This has also dented their reputation to a large extent. There were reports that many Chinese companies are in the phase of offering a public IPO in different consumer markets. This decision has delayed their ambitions. These Chinese companies are also fearing rising US and Indian competition in the app market. It is also fearing that if this becomes a global trend, many countries will follow suit and start banning Chinese apps. So you can imagine the scale of this decision. What is the investment scenario? Many big Chinese players like Alibaba and Tencent have invested heavily in Indian companies such as Ola, Byju's, BigBasket, Zomato, and there is a chance that there will be some strategic change in this investment. What is the public opinion? Well, many say that it was a very good decision, and it has proved that it was a very good decision. US Senator Rick Scott was quick to catch Indian decision and asked US to do the same. US is already in a trade war with China. So this will have interesting effects on the global tech industry. Some say it was short term, not practical. In my opinion, it was a very good short term but symbolic decision from the Indian government. China is losing its multi-billion-dollar investments from our market and also has lost its reputation. It will surely do something to gain that reputation back. At the end, I would like to say that we are very fortunate to be under the capable leadership of Mr. Modi and the Indian Armed Forces. India will not let any country cast an evil eye against it. Let's hope that the things improve in future. Till then, see you soon and Jai Hind. So friends, if you liked my video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you are always notified about my upcoming analysis videos. Do share this video with your friends and family so that the truth and the fact is on the table. Do post your valuable likes and comments. I would really like to know which part you felt the most interesting. If you want to know more about me and this channel, you can visit the About Us section on the top right hand side. See you soon.